Nissan has given the Versa an update for 2023, but the subcompact sedan remains true to its mission of providing cheap, competent transport. The already handsome front end now has a flashier grille with cascading silver trim pieces, and new optional 17-inch wheels are available to dress up the little sedan's looks. The Versa is powered by a 4-cylinder engine, and while its 122 horsepower isn't going to win any stoplight drag races, this power plant will return impressive fuel economy on the highway. The Versa also impresses with its smooth ride, and it packs a suite of high-tech safety features like emergency braking. The 2023 model also brings more interior features, like a larger touchscreen on the top SR trim and a wireless charging pad on the mid-tier SV. Combined with comfy front seats, the 2023 Nissan Versa has a well-appointed cabin for its affordable price point. Add to that its good driving dynamics and efficient engine, and the Versa is a handsome, frugal, and solidly capable daily commuter vehicle. Nissan has given the Versa a light facelift for 2023, with a revised grille and a new 17-inch wheel design for the SR model. There are also added technology features in the cabin, with the SR trim gaining an 8.0-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi hotspot, and adaptive cruise control as standard. The SV model also receives a wireless charging pad and a center console with an armrest. The top-of-the-line Versa SR is the one to get. Sure, it's the most expensive version, but we think it's worth it for all the enticing standard equipment it provides. Both the SR and the slightly less expensive SV come with an automatic transmission, and their infotainment systems feature Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. However, only the SR gets 17-inch rims, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, LED headlights, passive entry, and remote start. For 2023, the SR gets even more standard equipment, like adaptive cruise control, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and a new 8.0-inch touchscreen. For those who live in colder regions, we'd also add the convenience package for its heated front seats. Engine, transmission, and performance. Every Versa is motivated by a 122 horsepower 4-cylinder engine that powers the front wheels. A 5-speed manual is the default transmission on base models, but a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, can be had on the S, too. The latter comes standard on the higher SV and SR trim levels. While the Versa feels slow when pulling away from stoplights and during highway passing situations, its CVT helps prevent coarse noises by mimicking actual gear changes. The Versa we drove had a smooth ride that isolated road imperfections. It also was much better to drive than the previous generation car, providing accurate steering feel and consistent brake pedal feedback. At our test track, the 2023 Versa SR managed a fairly lethargic 9.5-second run to 60 miles per hour, but that was almost an entire second quicker than the 2020 model we tested before. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The Versa is rated up to 32 miles per gallon in the city and 40 miles per gallon on the highway when equipped with the CVT. The entry-level Versa with the manual has significantly worse figures, with an estimated 27 miles per gallon city and 35 highway. We tested an automatic-equipped Versa on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, where it earned 40 miles per gallon. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Versa's interior no longer looks and feels like a children's play area. It uses nice materials throughout and has soft-touch surfaces on the doors and dashboard. While Nissan doesn't offer power-adjustable seats and leather upholstery here, the fanciest model can be had with heated front seats as well as a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob. The mid-level SV model unlocks some desirable standard features, such as a digital screen in the gauge cluster. For 2023, the SV also gains a center console with an armrest and a wireless charging pad. The top-tier Versa SR brings automatic climate control, passive hands-free entry, remote start, and more, and adds both a Wi-Fi hotspot and standard adaptive cruise control for 2023. The back seat can comfortably fit 2 adults, but both the Hyundai Accent and Kia Rio have more rear seat headroom and legroom. The sedan has useful cubbies on its center console, and we managed to fit 6 carry-on suitcases in its trunk, 17 total with the back seat folded. Infotainment and connectivity. The Versa features a standard 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system with useful buttons and knobs. For 2023, the SR model gets a standard 8.0-inch display. Only the SV and SR trims have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration as standard. But a new package for 2023 allows buyers to add the systems to the base S trim. During our evaluation period, we found that the CarPlay interface responded better to our inputs than the car's normal menus did. Every Versa has 3 USB ports and voice command capability, but anyone who wants the ability to listen to Sirius XM satellite radio will have to look higher than the base model. Stay tuned to Auto RBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.